Unpleasant smells can change how a home feels, affecting comfort, confidence, and peace of mind. The best Odor Eliminator Generator for permanent odor removal helps create a fresher environment where every room feels welcoming again. Imagine enjoying clean, refreshing air that leaves a lasting impression on family and guests, making your living space feel more inviting, enjoyable, and truly comfortable every day. Numa 1. Odor-free Villa 3000 Ozone Generator. The original odor-free, over 20 years in the ozone industry. Our mission is to eliminate the source of the odor in each location. How IT works: the odor-free takes normal oxygen, O2, and converts it to ozone, O3, which fills every cubic inch in the space. Ozone is a powerful oxidizer that breaks apart odor molecules and eliminates odors at the source. Unoccupied spaces only. The American Lung Association recommend that ozone only be used in unoccupied spaces. Wait at least 2 hours before reoccupying the space. Convenient 1 to 12 hour time, or manually for longer. Treatment covers up to 3,000 square feet. Output from 150 1800 mg per hour. Comes complete with plates and filter. This model was formerly designated as the Villa 1000, 5-year warranty, easy to maintain, adjustable ozone output. Numa 2. HHGM 198,000 mg/H dual fan ozone machine generator. High capacity. Lingering odors can make any environment feel less inviting, creating discomfort that affects daily life and first impressions. The HHGM Dual Fan Ozone Machine Generator offers a powerful solution for people seeking a fresher atmosphere in residential spaces, vehicles, work areas, storage locations, and business settings. Stale air caused by smoke, pets, damp conditions, cooking residue, or long-standing odors can reduce the sense of cleanliness that many people value. A refreshed environment often brings greater confidence when welcoming visitors, meeting clients, or spending quality time with family. Clean-smelling surroundings help create a more pleasant experience, making rooms feel brighter, more comfortable, and easier to enjoy. Many buyers search for an odor eliminator that supports a cleaner indoor atmosphere while helping maintain a professional appearance throughout different areas. This ozone machine generator is designed for individuals who want to address unwanted smells at the source rather than simply covering them up. Whether used in a basement, garage, vehicle, workshop, office, warehouse, or living area, it helps support a more enjoyable setting. A cleaner smelling space can improve comfort, enhance satisfaction, and contribute to an environment that feels welcoming, refreshed, and cared for throughout the day. Numa 3. Power Scale Ozone Generator. Odor removal. Unwanted smells can affect the atmosphere of a property, leaving guests, customers, and family members with an unpleasant impression. The Power Scale Ozone Generator is designed for people who value a fresh environment and want every room to feel more welcoming. Whether preparing a rental property for new arrivals, refreshing a workspace, or improving indoor air quality after heavy use, a cleaner smelling setting can make a noticeable difference. Property owners, hospitality hosts, maintenance teams, and professional cleaning services often look for dependable odor removal solutions that help create a more inviting experience. Fresh surroundings can increase comfort, support a positive image, and make visitors feel more relaxed from the moment they enter. A pleasant atmosphere encourages confidence and helps transform ordinary spaces into places where people enjoy spending time. Persistent odors from daily activities, cooking, smoke, pets, or long periods of occupancy can reduce the appeal of an otherwise well-maintained area. A dedicated odor removal system can help restore freshness and improve the overall feel of large indoor locations. Cleaner air contributes to a more enjoyable environment, helping homes, rental accommodations, offices, and commercial properties feel renewed, cared for, and ready to make a lasting impression. Numa 4.F EcoFlow Portable Power Station Delta 3 Classic. Power for every scenario. EcoFlow Delta 3 Classic delivers 1,800 watts output, 3,600 watts surge, with X-Boost technology, enough for refrigerators, microwaves, laptops, and more. Expandable up to 2600 watts with X-Boost for even heavier loads. Ultra-fast charging, go from 0 to 80% in just 45 minutes with extreme AC charging. Keep your devices and appliances powered faster, smarter, and with greater peace of mind, whether at home, outdoors, or on the go. 10 mAh UPS, protect sensitive electronics like PCs, servers, and medical devices. Delta 3 Classic automatically switches to battery in under 10 mAh, preventing downtime, data loss, or interruptions. Built to last, with Leaf EPO 4 battery cells rated for 10+ years of daily use, F-grade CTC design, and a smart battery management system, Delta 3 Classic ensures safe, reliable power in any condition. Fast solar recharging, recharge in just 2.5 hours with a 500 watts solar panel, optional. Clean, renewable energy lets you stay powered wherever the sun shines. Perfect for off-grid living or outdoor adventures. Smart app control, take charge of your energy with the EcoFlow app. Monitor usage, set charging schedules, and activate backup modes like Storm Alert or Self-Powered mode, all from your phone. Delta 3 Classic is not compatible with Delta 2 Smart Extra Battery and Delta 3 Series Smart Extra Battery. Numa 5. Jackery HomePower 3600 Plus Portable Power Station. Essential Home Backup. The Jackery HomePower 3600 Plus delivers 3600 watts output, 7200 watts in parallel, to run pumps, heaters, and dryers with ease. With dual voltage, 120 volts and 240 volts in parallel, and 3584 watt-hours capacity, expandable to 21 kilowatt-hours per unit or 43 kilowatt-hours with multiple units. It can power a 3-person household for over 2 weeks. Safe power that lasts. Built with high-temp resistant ceramic membrane battery cells tested at 302 degrees Fahrenheit, the Jackery HomePower 3600 Plus portable power station prevents thermal runaway from heat or overcharge. Offering 6,000 cycles and a 10-year lifespan, it delivers safe, reliable even in -4 degrees Fahrenheit blizzards. Plug and play, with its easy plug-and-play design, the Jackery HomePower 3600 Plus, paired with MTS, powers your home effortlessly, no complex installation required. Whether at work, in the kitchen, on with family, simply plug in, press power on and keep life running smoothly through any outage. For charging options, with 4 convenient ways to charge, the Jackery HomePower 3600 Plus solar generator can be fully recharged from 0 to 100% in just 2 hours via hybrid AC plus DC. It also supports charging via AC in 2.5 hours, solar in 4 hours, or a gas generator in 2.5 hours, delivering a full day of quiet, clean energy. Ultra portable and lightweight, the Jackery HomePower 3600 Plus, the lightest 3.6 kWh LFP power station, boasts automotive-grade CTB tech and is 34% smaller and 29.3% lighter than other models. Its luggage-style design with wheels and a telescopic handle allows effortless rolling from kitchen to garage or beyond. Please note, the HomePower 3600 Plus and solar panels are shipped separately, and may arrive in separate packages.